Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is ending sounds, and today we are going to write ending sounds of the given pictures. Okay, do you know what is ending sound? Ending sound is a sound which comes at the end to complete a word. Okay, let's start our activity of the ending sounds. Okay. Tell me which picture is this? It is tin. Tin. T sound is here. E sound is here. Which sound is missing? N sound. So we are going to write n. In tin. What is this? This is mat. So sound is here, a sound is here. So which sound comes at the end? T. So we are going to write T. At mat. Which picture is this? This is tub. Tub. So T sound is here, a sound is here. Which sound is missing? The ending sound. So we have to write which sound at the end? B. Tub. Which picture is this? Jet. Jet. J sound is here, eh sound is here. Which is missing? T. We are going to write T here. Jet. Which picture is this? Bag. Bag. B sound is here, a sound is here. Which sound is missing at the end? G sound. We are going to write G sound. Bag. Bag. After doing this page, now your assignment is this, that you people have to write the ending sounds of these given pictures. Thank you.